So today's mini simple hairstyle. So those are the store products I'll be using this morning on my hair. Okay, so here is it. So let's drive in. I just finished washing my hair. Let's make piece cut today. Okay, find yourself job. Number one, let's use this. Okay, one. I just hope everything came out to be beautiful actually. Okay. So yeah. So today's mini simple hairstyle. I just finished my battle. As you can see, water is still draining on my skin, no? Water is still draining. So I'm using this. This tie, I've been craving actually to have it. I have to blow down my hair. Okay.
Use this to mess them up.
Okay, everyone. They have different kind of moss, okay, in store. I got this from Hakasabon. Everything you are saying from Hakasabon. So let's do this. Cute and bumpy. This is how you can make your piece cut. Okay. So I'm still on the process, okay? Get it to say, what did they do? But when I finish that, it will fall for the hair. Okay. A quick hairstyle that you wish to have for a quick hairstyle. Today I'm going to be sharing my hair. It's on your choice. Let's loose down the hair, everyone. Okay, one. No. Look at the way I look beautiful. It's good to be happy yourself as a lady. You know, guy, if you're ugly more than this, impress yourself that you are beautiful just the way you are. So, sorry everyone, making this. So this is what I made this hair by myself this morning. Now what I get, this is the basic hairstyle. Mercy, come and look at your mommy. This is what I've been waiting for in my life. Girls!
You look so ugly.
My daughter say I look so ugly.
I'm joking.
Eh?
I'm joking.
Say something, girls.
Konnichiwa.
So yeah, it's a girl. I just decided this is summer actually started. I haven't used this necklace. Let's see that. Yeah, Messi is here. I am you leading by Jack to pump it hot. Can you see? Oh my God. I am you leading by Jack. Look it. You just have to put this slowly, steady. You see, this lady don't get worried, but she's a bit low budget. I'm going now to know I don't have where to go, but I'm going now to the moment. You don't concern me. You don't concern me. If you are sitting there, they happy. My happiness concern me. Happiness concern me. I concern. It's none of my business. Let's do this. Okay. I just want to do a rich 25 this morning. It's one. This one I had for called fresh grammar. This one no be for battle. I want this. I went to store.
She only took 30 minutes.
To do this. I went to store. This hair, I don't know, I made the video there ago. I went to store that I wanted to make this hair to salon shovel. Look at it though. No be joke. Okay. I went to start this body said I want to bake my hair. To ask them, they said 65 euros. Hair that I can make by myself. To make this, you can do this. Okay. It depends on your shape. Am I not looking nice? Do you need to rub before you know you are beautiful?
Oh my god.
Do you need to rub back? No. You don't have to rub back, my darling. Excuse me.